What's the meaning of childbearing? Childbearing. Childbearing.
Childbearing. Childbearing. Childbearing refers to the process of giving birth and producing offspring. It typically involves carrying a pregnancy to term, labor and delivery, and the postpartum period. The result of childbearing is the creation of new life and the continuation of a species. For women, it can be a physically and emotionally intense experience that requires care and support. Childbearing also has significant cultural and social implications, as it impacts family structures, gender roles, and population dynamics. Overall, the meaning of childbearing is central to human reproduction and the perpetuation of society.